In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Rockstar Games app launch on startup. So if you have this challenge where each and every time you just start your computer, Rockstar Games app also launches and you no longer need this, then follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So for this case, I'm on the app. So I have just opened my app here and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, now head to settings here. And now under load when computer starts, you can see this feature has been enabled. With this on, this will always load Rockstar Games Launcher when you start your computer, and that's why you have been experiencing this. To disable this, you need to uncheck this box by just clicking on it, and now it will be done. From now, whenever you start your computer, you'll have to manually start or launch your Rockstar Games app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.